So this is a James Hardie product, Scyon Secura, which many people are aware of. If you're not, it's basically just compressed sheet that's, I believe, waterproof. And it is quite heavy, but it is far superior than the alternative, which is just laying yellow tongue chipboard flooring and then putting some tile underlay over the top of that. But this is critical. There are two different ways to install it, and it's different for both interior and exterior. Interior, they ask you to lay it in a brick formation, which makes complete sense. It's strong as an ox, and it's been strong as an ox for however long brick formations have been around, since I believe the time of the Egyptians and the pyramid times. But on exterior, now this is the printout from James Hardie you'll find on their website, the installation manual. This bloody thing changes every time I look at it. Sometimes I think that somebody's sitting in the James Hardie office wondering how they can fuck with us carpenters, because it changes every 6 months, I swear. I don't know why, but it does. So internal, they ask for a brick formation. External, they want every sheet, so each sheet is 2.7 long by 600mm wide. They want every sheet to land on the one joist, and it's almost like an articulation joint. In between each sheet, they've got a 10mm backing rod, which I might have somewhere. This is the backing rod, so it's basically foam. That's all it is. They want foam in between the butt joints of each sheet, and then you sort of press down. Say this sheet's going to join to this one here. You put the backing rod in with what they want, the James Hardie adhesive. We just use 11FC Sikaflex, which is a polyurethane sealant and adhesive. As good as anything, I think. So put that in your butt joint and then slide the next sheet down, which compresses the backing rod together to a 5mm gap, and then you, at the end, seal every join with Sikaflex is what we use, as well as every V-groove. Every V-groove is this one here. I'm not sure how well you can see that on the camera. This stuff is quite heavy. I'm not sure what each sheet weighs. I would guess 30 odd kilos, which will add quite a bit of weight to your bathroom. So there needs to be proper adequate support as well, especially in where we have the bath, or if you're going to install a bath. Let's say it's a 200 litre bath, that's 200 kilos plus the weight of the floor, and if you get a heavy set fella or lady, there's a good half ton sitting on 1 point load. So make sure you've got enough support in your subframe.